As with all computer equipment, the processor and motherboard components can be damaged by electrostatic discharge, ESD. Labels such as these are common indicators that electrostatic sensitive devices are present. It is essential to use ESD precautions such as wrist straps or foot or heel straps when handling any ESD sensitive products. In order for ESD protection to be effective, straps must connect to a common earth ground system. Straps must be worn against the skin and should fit tightly. Straps must be kept clean and in good condition. When handling AMD processors, hold a processor by the edge of the package with 2 fingers. Do not touch the pins when transporting the processor. Release the socket locking lever by pulling the lever outward slightly, then lifting up. The AMD Athlon 64 processor has a small triangle marking on one corner. Align this corner with the corresponding marker on the motherboard. Place the processor into the socket carefully. Take care not to bend the processor pins. The processor should require little or no downward force to fit properly into the socket. If the processor does not fit easily, carefully adjust the alignment. Do not attempt to force the processor into place. When the processor is correctly seated, hold it in place while lowering the locking lever and latching it into the fully locked position. Do not apply any power to the system until the heatsink is fully installed. If voltage is applied before the heatsink is fully installed, the processor will overheat and failure will result.